Today I am dismantling this HP laptop. This model is HP 14CE3506SI. So this part, as you see yourself, is for sale. It's a good looking part, decent plastic. It will be on my description below. This screen bezel also for sale. I need to clean it up after before I send it out. It comes out himself, you see. So I need to clean out because it was glued a screen to it. So this keyboard as well, it looks good, and motherboard also for sale. So do apologize for if you cannot see this video properly. I just bought head holder, a phone where I can attach it and I can film it, which is I don't really think is a appropriate thing to do, but oh well, we're trying all new things now. So right, okay, all buy links will be in my description below. Please support me on these videos, and drop me below what else do you want me to dismantle and show in this video. Thanks, that's it for now. Thank you.